If Instagram voice messages aren't playing or working on your device, here are a few fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app and go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap on Instagram, then select Storage. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the issue. Once that's done, reopen Instagram and check if voice messages are working. If the problem continues, go back to the Instagram app info page and tap Permissions. Select Microphone and make sure permission is set to Allow. You can also open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. If none of these fixes work, restart your phone and try again. This can clear temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. After completing these steps, open Instagram and check if voice messages are now playing properly. And that's how you can fix Instagram voice messages not playing or working on your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Instagram tips and tutorials.